Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Text. So now we are going to deal with referencing. What is the purpose of this technique? Well, imagine that you have some huge document and you want to point to a certain element from your text from any other element from your text. For example, you want to have some paragraph and in that paragraph you want to point to certain chapter or to certain figure from your text. And that technique could be extremely useful, especially in cases when you have some huge document. And right here I have some document for example. So we have two chapters, chapter 1 and chapter 2. In chapter 1 we have two sections, both sections populated with some text from Lipsa. And in chapter 2, let me show you. We have actual three sections. First section contains a figure with some text. Second section contains some simple table, and third section is without content. Now we are going to use this third section in order to point towards other elements from our text. And in order to point towards chapter or towards section, you have to add the command label, and then you are going to provide some text that is going to be used as key. For example, ch for chapter, column, first. And now if we want to reference this element, we are going to use another command from our text, and that is command ref, and as argument provide this key ch first, like this. Save this. And you see, this is a reference towards our first chapter, and number 1 is chapter number. And there is one more thing very useful for this purpose. We actually could reference a page for our chapter with command page ref, and then provide very same key ch, like this. Save it. And you see, this is a reference towards our first chapter, chapter 1 on page number 1. And now I'm going to reference other elements from our text. So with sections, let's call it sec first. Like this. Now chapter, another chapter, like this. We could actually be more creative with our label names, like this. And referencing figure, it's simple too. Right after our caption, we are going to label, let's say fig 1, and I'm going to remove this chapter reference. We don't need it. And I'm going to reference this table. First table, like this. And I don't need this from our section 2. We already have examples. So now I'm going to add more references. And of course ref. Let us check key name. Sec first. From page number. Page ref, sec first, like this. So sec second, from page number another line, and now I'm going to reference this figure and table. So we have fig 1 and TB1. So ref fig 1 from page ref fig 1, new line, and ref tb1 from page ref tb1. Save it, and let's see what we have. So this is reference towards our first chapter on page number 1. This is reference towards our first section from first chapter 1.1 from page 1. Same from section 1.2. And now it gets more interesting. So reference towards figure is 2.1. So we have a first figure on chapter 2 from page 3. And we have reference towards table 2.1. So first table from chapter 2 from page 3. So on page 3 we have both our figure and our section. So that's all for this episode, guys. I hope that you like this content, so please subscribe and see ya!